In today's video, I will walk you through how to block explicit songs on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once it is open, go to the top right corner of the window and look for your profile icon. Click the profile icon to open the menu, then select Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Explicit Content. In this section, look for the setting called Allow Playback of Explicit-Rated Content. Turn this setting off by clicking the switch next to it. Once the switch is off, Spotify will block tracks that are marked as explicit. Songs marked with the capital letter E next to the track title will be skipped automatically. If you start a playlist, album, or radio station that contains explicit tracks, Spotify will skip those songs and continue with the next available clean track. In some cases, explicit songs may appear grayed out. If an album is entirely explicit, playback may stop when Spotify reaches the blocked track. When this happens, search for a clean or radio edit version of the song or album. To check whether an explicit song was skipped, look at the playback and check for the E badge next to the song title. If the playhead moves forward unexpectedly, an explicit track may have been skipped. The filter works immediately after you turn the setting off. There's nothing else you need to save or confirm. You can continue listening right away. If you want to allow explicit songs again, return to the same explicit content section and turn the Allow Playback of Explicit-Rated Content setting back on. As long as the setting remains off, Spotify will continue skipping tracks marked as explicit. This completes the process for blocking explicit songs on Spotify. Thank you for watching.